Hello all. This is part 2 of the dynamic CRM package deployer tutorial video. In part 1, I have showed you guys how to set up CRM package deployer project and how to set up the package. Now we have the package ready, so I have it in the debug folder. So this is output of the solution. Now I want to run this in Microsoft PowerShell. So I'm going to go through the process in this video. So step 1, you first need to install PowerShell module for CRM package deployer. So you can find the PowerShell module inside the CRM SDK under the tools and package deployer. Inside the deployer folder, just as a wee sidetrack, you can find the GUI version of the package deployer, but I'm going to use PowerShell. So inside of PowerShell, you need to run this PowerShell script. You actually need to run it. So I can run it with PowerShell. So it asks me to check if I want to change my execution policy. I will say no because I'm pretty sure. Oops. Okay, just now I have some problems with running the PowerShell script to install the PowerShell module for CRM package deployer. Now I'm trying again, see if I have any luck. So looks like everything is successful. So all the steps, the output shows everything is successfully installed. So now I'm back into the CRM deployment package folder. So this is the deployment package I have just built from Visual Studio project for CRM deployment package. And so in the PowerShell, I'm in the same directory. And so I just want to make sure a few things. The first is I need to check the config file does have the three solutions I need, so that's fine. And I also need to check the PowerShell script I created is fine. First of all, I grab the current directory as the package directory, which is correct. You can change this parameter to anything you want, and then I will need to install 2 PowerShell snappings in order for the following up PowerShell command to run successfully. And I need to set up kind of a variable or object which contains the CRM connection string or object. And since I'm going to deploy it to a CRM online, which is in Australia data center, Azure Australia data center, so I will choose the region as Oceania, and online type is Office 365 because it's online. Organization name is Mr. XRM, that's mine, and credential is the one I'm going to set up during the execution of the PowerShell script, this PowerShell script. Then the last command is actually run the package with all the parameters I set up just now. And this is the output. This is actually the DLL of the project. So if I go back to there, you can find the DLL there. Verbal, so I can it's a flag, so I will see the detailed output while running the command. So before I run the CRM deployment PowerShell script, I need to give the credential variable value. So get credential, I think that's command. So that's prompt me for the username and a password. Here you go. This is the credential for the CRM instance. I'm going to deploy it too. So click OK. So before I run, I'm going to show you the CRM instance. I'm going to deploy to. It's the target CRM instance. So there's only one CRM solution at the moment there. So going to my PowerShell IC. So now I'm just going to run the PowerShell script I created. So you can see some output from there. So it's retrieving org, it's validating connections. So it's the importing package. So wow, yep, it's cool, it's fine solution. So it's importing now. So I'm going to pause the video a little bit, so it will keep the video short and neat. So actually it didn't take very long for the first solution get imported, so now I start to work on the second solution and let's begin the third one. So while it's working, let's go back to the CRM instance, see how to go. So it's imported the this one, the first one and the second one. So it's still working on the ribbon workbench solution. I think it's a big solution, so take a while. Oh, sorry, this is actually I don't need this PowerShell. Actually, I prefer PowerShell IC because you can see both your script and actually the console at the same time. So the import CRM package command will first read your configuration, then actually find the solutions you're just about to import inside your package. Then it will load the solutions one by one. As you can see, the importing of the last solution just finished, and the final status of the execution is completed. So if I go back to the CRM instance again, you should see now we have 4 CRM solutions. So here you go, this is the new one. Yeah, here you go, from start to finish, how you can use a CRM package deployer to deploy multiple CRM solutions with pretty much 1 or 2 clicks. And Actually, it's a PowerShell, so no clicks. It just you can run it automatically even, and I quite like it because it save a lot of my time from saving me from deploy repetitively. So hopefully you will find it useful, and thanks for watching my video. Thank you.